Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see one more product unboxing, and that product is a magnetic tripod specially for iPhone. I am purchasing this product from Amazon, just only 29 euro. So which types of product I am receiving, we will see detailed demonstration. If you want purchase this specific product, link is available on video description. You just simply click and very easily order this product. So now we will see which types of product I am receiving and what it look like and what is new, and it's really magnetic tripod or for what we will see. Look at this here, mag stand and the magnetic tripod. The packing is very rich. Now we'll see unboxing, how to open. Just only perfect. Now I just simply open and boom, I ordered white color. Look at this. Inside the box they are providing something. This is a magic booklet, how we use this one. You can read the all instruction and accordingly you can use. This is a DNC type charging cable they are providing, and here especially the remote no required to add the seals. That one is a really, you can use C port and charge very easily. Suppose I have in MacBook, so I can very easily connect this one and charging is a start. This is very positive point I saw first time, and this is our product. If you just simply press here and automatically open. This is a stand, and so it's huge, like in my height, around 172 height. It's huge and it's very lightweight. It's really nice, lightweight. Now I will show you how to fix iPhone. Here they are providing this one magnetic clip also. You can attach this one in your telephone and afterwards you can very easily, but without this one you can very easily connect like this, no required to connect anything. And look at this, especially it's really interesting product. Look at this, the magnetic frequency is amazing. If you like here, and it's really strong. It's not easable like this. If I do my phone, I will show you this. Look at this, the magnetic, it's really powerful, authenticate and amazing. You can do this one, record this video, or you can record like this. That one is really interesting. If you want to do the selfie stick, okay, it's very simple. You just simply on this one. Now is green light is showing here. Afterwards you just simply open your Bluetooth, and here the Bluetooth device is automatically showing. Look at this here. You just simply tap here and boom, now is connected. If I connect here, like do selfie stick, and I want to click some pictures of my only, so look at this, and just simply press here. It's very easy to click the picture with this button. It's really interesting product. You want record like this, and the product quality is really nice. It's very lightweight. The product quality is very nice. It's very lightweight. You just simply connect here and record the video. It's really interesting. So guys, this is a simple unboxing of KraftGeek Mega Stand Tripod. If you really like this video and you want purchase this product, so the product link is available on video description. It's very affordable price, just only 29 euro. Here in Europe, outside the Europe, like $30, it's affordable price, but features, it's really nice and authenticate features. If you decide to purchase as a selfie stick or tripod, so this one is outstanding. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.